Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we empower your existence with focus on your health. Today, I'll be taking you through a special delicacy I call Vegg Sauce and unripe plantain. Before we continue, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share if you have not done so. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get my video once it's posted. In this channel, we do not just show you step-by-step method on how to make the delicacy. We go a step further to teach you the nutritional value and their health benefits. Thank you. Let's go.
All right, so these are the ingredients for my sauce. I'm going to use spinach as my green leafy vegetable. You can use any leafy green vegetable of your choice, but I love spinach because it's very high in vitamin, potassium, and magnesium. You know, these are very good for healthy heart and also good for our muscle and nerve functioning. All right, so here is my tomato. I'm also going to cut my tomato. I'm not going to blend it, but if you want, you can blend yours. Tomato has antioxidant properties and is very healthy. That's why I love eating tomato, and I encourage you to also. So if you don't like eating tomato, just try figure out a way to get it down to your system, because this thing you are looking at right here has so many nutritional value and so nutritious. Just try, encourage yourself. You can get it everywhere. Tomato is everywhere in the United States, in Africa, is everywhere. Hence, it's very important you consider it when planning your meal. Think about your heart, think about your digestion. All right, here, do you know onions help protect your eyes from all the oxidative stress and all the age-related eye condition? You have to know this, so I encourage you. So it's very important for you to know that pepper also has anti-inflammatory property. So it's also very, and this is sardine. I It's optional. If you want to use it, that's fine. But you can also use fresh fish for it. I prefer you eat. So this is egg. I open it up, prepare it. Egg is very high in protein, as we know, and we know that protein help to repair body tissues. So these are the ingredients for my vegetable sauce. You can look at it and prepare yours. Now time to prepare my unripe plantain and get it ready for cooking. I will have to wash it very well, peel it, cut to my desired size. Some people like to cook with the back, but I like mine removed. So talking about unripe plantain, is very rich in nutrients, is high in dietary fiber, which helps promote your digestive health and also help to prevent constipation. It helps to regulate your blood sugar too. So very important. Unripe plantain has high content of potassium. And remember what I told you before about potassium. All right, so we are ready now. My pot is already on my stove with light on. So I poured in some vegetable oil, leave it for some time before I add my onions with my tomato. So you stir it very well. During this process, I added my iodized salt. That's pepper. That's my habanero pepper. So I put in my seasoning. Remember, I told you I used crayfish Maggi. So that's the product I use. So you have to make sure that you taste your sauce and be careful so you don't put too much seasoning. So you leave it for some time. So this is time for the sardine. I added the mashed sardine inside my egg sauce and I stir it for some little. Just allow it for some time and keep on stirring it. Um, don't allow it burn. Give it some time before you pour in your egg. Make sure that your egg is not going to burn in the pot because this is the time the egg always burn. Just be careful with the turning. So check your egg sauce to know if it's time for your veggies. So when it's time for your veggies, you add your vegetable. The secret about this sauce is that you have to keep these veggies alive. Yes, we don't want it overcooked. So take your sauce off the stove immediately after stirring it, just like the way you're gonna see me do it now. This veggie sauce or veg sauce can be eaten with unripe plantain, boiled yam, or boiled rice. Anyone is perfect. And this meal can be used as lunch or dinner. What we have here is a complete balanced diet with all the electrolytes and compounds the body needs to be fit and healthy. So you know that we have already prepared our unripe plantain. So we are going to boil it. So you check it after 5 to 10 minutes. You check it up, check out the softness, and now your veggie sauce and unripe plantain is ready. Thank you so much for preparing this special delicacy with me. You can try that at home too. Expect more of this type of healthy video every week. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and turn on your notification button.